Hello everyone. So this is the next video lecture on automobile engineering. So today's topic is the classification of automobiles. So in previous lecture we have seen the definition of automobile and a little history of automobile. And in today's class we are going to know about the classification of automobiles. So let's start our lecture. So uh, this is the general classification of automobile. So the different types of automobiles, which is generally found on the road, are mentioned in the form of a chart, as you can see in the chart. So, uh, but before coming to the chart, let us know that the automobiles are generally classified into three main categories, and then these three categories are single unit vehicles or load carriers. Then second one is the articulated vehicles, and the third one is heavy tractor. So automobiles are generally classified into three parts, three main categories. And the automobiles which are generally found on the road, which we can see in our daily life, are mentioned uh, in the form of a chart. As you can see, automobiles are generally divided into two parts, passenger vehicles and goods vehicles. So first of all, passenger vehicles. In passenger vehicles, we have either light vehicles or heavy vehicles. So the light vehicles, examples of light vehicles, coming down to the last of the chart, motorcycle, scooters, motorcycles, jeep, station wagons, pickups, cars. So all these are light passenger vehicles. Now, on the other hand, we have heavy vehicles, heavy passenger vehicles basically. So in heavy passenger vehicles, we have buses and coaches. And in buses, we have either single deck or double deck. And in single deck, we have minibus and big buses. So heavy vehicles, in heavy vehicles, we have either buses or coaches. So in coaches, we have either deluxe or air conditioned. So this is the list of passenger vehicles, which we have divided into two parts, light vehicles and heavy vehicles. So in the same way, we have goods vehicles. So in goods vehicles, we have divided in the same manner that light goods vehicles and heavy goods vehicles. So in light goods vehicles, we have either delivery van, light truck, which we call mini truck also, or tempos. So in tempos, we have either three-wheelers or four-wheelers. So this is the general light vehicles, light goods vehicles. So coming to the last, which is heavy vehicles. So in heavy goods vehicles, we have either trucks or tractor or trailers. So this is the general chart which represented the types of various types of automobiles which we can see in our day-to-day life. Now let us cover the classification of automobile one by one. So the first classification, which is the single unit vehicles or load carriers. So as you can see from the name, the single unit. So there should be a single unit vehicle. You can take example of a car. It is a single unit vehicle or maybe a load carrier. So these vehicles are conventional four-wheel types with two axle design, in which the front axle is steering, non-driving axle, and the rear axle is driving axle. With the advancement, many changes have been incorporated in the number of axles as well as the driving system. Now, next is the articulated vehicles. So, what is articulated vehicle? So, basically, articulated vehicle is different from single unit vehicle in a way that it has two or more units. And these two or more units are joined together with the help of a coupling or joint, which can be coupled or decoupled according to the need. So it can be seen in the image that there is a joint which is used as a coupling for these two units to be held together and form a vehicle. So the coupling mechanism between semi-trailer and tractor is in most of these vehicles is designed for automatic connection and coupling up. Then a lever is provided with driver's approach for coupling operation. So driver can easily couple or decouple the vehicle. So such type of vehicle which with the help of a coupling or joint can form a unit. So such type of vehicle are called as articulated vehicles. And the last one is heavy tractor vehicles. So in a heavy tractor vehicle, this is a special type of vehicle. So this type of vehicle is used in construction work or any other special purpose. So to move the heavy loads, tractor or independent tractor vehicles are used. So these are the three basic classification of automobile. Now let's see some more classification according to the purpose. Passenger carriers or good carriers. According to the type of fuel used, we have either petrol, gas, diesel, electric, and steam, which is generally not in use. So according to the type of fuel used, we have petrol vehicles, diesel vehicles like this. According to the capacity, we have HMVs, LMVs, heavy motor vehicles, light motor vehicles. According to the construction, we have single unit and articulated vehicles, which we have just seen. According to the drive, it is classified as left-hand drive and right-hand drive. According to the number of wheels, we have either two-wheeler, three-wheeler, four-wheelers. And according to the body of automobile, it is classified as hatchback or sedan or convertible, station wagons, and special purpose vehicles, like we have discussed. Special purpose vehicles generally used in defense sector or construction sites. So thank you. So we have covered the classification of automobiles. Thank you.